This was a wow plant for me when I was walking the yard the other day. This is Malus showtime, and I think as a group, I think crabapples are underutilized in the landscape, and there's a good reason for that. They have their issues, so you want to select one that has less issues. Diseases tend to be a bit of a problem. There's scab, there's rust, a couple of different types of diseases that you can spray for. This one's a pretty resistant cultivar. It's a 18 to 20 foot tree by probably around 12 to 15 feet wide. Moderate, probably 8 inches, 10 inches a year. But it pops. I mean, look at that color. It's just spectacular. And I've been doing these long enough where you folks know that I love a multi-dimensional tree. And this has a real bright orange fruit towards the latter part of summer. Birds do eat them if you're a bird enthusiast. But it's another season of interest from this plant. So it's Malus showtime, full sun. Anyway you'd put probably something like a cherry or a small ornamental tree, this plant would work fine. Full sun. You want to keep this plant away from shade because shade will help bring on some of the disease problems I'm talking about. And then again, it will tolerate clay soils a little bit better than most, but not really wet sites. Malus showtime, and really solid choice for an ornamental tree.